Consider 7 forecast. That's weather coverage you can count on.
Glad you're still with us, Ed. And, for the gentleman out west in Texas, two great guys, two wonderful sense of humors. And again, great story right there.
I was going to say, I kind of like the Bengals. You got Joe Burrow, right? What's not to like?
Exactly.
What's not to like about today's forecast either?
Temperatures very mild right now here at the 1 a.m. hour.
That's right. Yeah, we're still in the 50s in a lot of regions. Some of us are still hanging on to the 40s, so it's very, very mild. Temperatures did get up to the 70s today, so it felt very, very nice, and it's going to continue to feel nice. So you can see Dayton, 53 degrees, still hanging on to the 50s there. Springbro's at 57. Even farther up north, Bell Fountain is 54 degrees. Salina, 52. Now, today, we got up to 73. The record for today, for any St. Patrick's Day in the city of Dayton, is 73 degrees. That was in 2012. So we met that record today. We didn't beat it, but we did meet it. So it was a warm day. Even if it wasn't a record breaker, it was a record meter, I guess you could call it. And we do have some clear skies now, so that'll help the temperature really kind of drop at least a little bit. But I think we're going to remain in the 50s for much of the night here. I mean, it's 1 o'clock, so it's not going to get too much colder. I think we will probably squeak into the upper 40s briefly in Dayton, but it is a very mild night. One reason that it's mild is because winds are coming out of the south. Now, we have this area of high pressure. It was a little bit farther south earlier, closer to Florida, but it has kind of moved its way up along the east coast, still inland a little bit, but the circulation around that high, that clockwise circulation, is still inviting a lot of that warmer air from the south, and so winds tend to be out of the southwest, and they have been bringing in the warm air. So you've got the high pressure keeping skies generally clear, actually a little bit clearer than where we were earlier in the evening. But with that southwest wind, too, you've got the warm air and some rain way out far away, but not here. But that'll change. Moving into the late morning, we'll start to see a few sprinkles, and then we will see a good chance of rain. We'll probably see some cloud cover eventually, too. As that area of high pressure scoots east, we're going to see a little bit more of this cloud cover come in into the morning hours, and then some rain. Let's take a look when. We take a look into the late morning, you start to see a few sprinkles moving across the area. Here's lunchtime, and then as we move into the afternoon, you'll start to see that increase in rain, perhaps a few thunderstorms mixed in there as well. As far as severe weather, the risk is fairly low, but you can't rule out a stray severe storm somewhere across the region. And it looks like the rain does continue. It might pause here and there, but we do see some of that rain continuing into Saturday. And it's looking a little bit wetter on Saturday, too. It doesn't rain all day, but you can see even here at 2 o'clock, looking at some showers. And I think we could see a little bit lingering into early Sunday morning, but not for much of Sunday. The rest of Sunday looks pretty good. So as far as severe threats moving into Friday, it's pretty low for everything, except for wind. We can expect perhaps some strong wind from a thunderstorm, but it'll be isolated if we see anything. Again, overall severe risks are low, but that's something we'll have to monitor moving into Friday. Tonight's forecast, like I said, I think we'll get down to 49 briefly, but most of the night we'll get down into the 50s, and we're still in the 50s right now at 1:10 a.m., so staying pretty mild. And 7-day forecast shows the chance for rain today. I can say that because it's Friday, right? So, but mainly the PM hours. And then Saturday and Sunday, some showers. Yep, we're looking at a lingering sprinkle too in the Sunday. And notice we stay warm. The coldest day this week, chilly 53 degrees Saturday, with temperatures getting down to 38 degrees Saturday night. James?
I think we'll manage, don't you?
I think we'll be all right now.
Thank you, sir. Not sure that you can call it home court advantage, but two of our high schools get to play